Hi folks, my name is Mike. I'm with I-80 Equipment. Today I've got a 2001 Sterling LT7500. It's got a safe jet vac hydro-excavating 910. I will show you how to operate that and all the features about it. First thing you want to do is climb up in the vehicle. Once inside the vehicle, roll your ignition forward. Let it cycle through. Once it cycles through, go ahead and start it up. Turn your lights on. Turn your hazards on. Make sure that the parking brake is set and you are in neutral first. Press on the brake pedal. Between the seats, lift up all three knobs, turn on either your right and or left blinker, turn on your strobe lights. Once you do that, come back and put it in drive. You can hear it engage. Now it's fully engaged. Once it's in drive and those are on, release the gas pedal or the brake pedal. Now you're ready to operate the jet vac. Controls are on the front bumper. We have power on. Engine throttle on. Once the throttle's on, in order to get max pressure, increase the RPM to roughly 2,000, 1,800. right down. Remember to open your knife, otherwise it will not have any vacuum out front. Otherwise you can leave it off. Vacuum or throttle must be up around 2,000 in order for it to work properly. I'm going to leave the front unstowed so I can open the engine compartment when I'm all said and done as I walk around the vehicle. Once you get back in the vehicle, you want to step on the brake pedal, shift back into neutral, and release all your vacuum. If you don't put it in neutral prior to doing this, it will grind gears and sound pretty horrific. So after you do all that, vehicle's in neutral, release the brake pedal, turn your hazards, your lights off. Obviously you're done for the day, go shut the vehicle off. Got a nice, very clean vehicle. I've left your blinkers on. I'll show you those in the back of the truck. We have Sterling manuals here for you. We have a Pendant controller that will plug in underneath the manual part. Push the controller all the way in nice and tight. Make sure it's got full connection so all the functions work properly. We have the driver's side steer tire, driver's side engine compartment, Caterpillar powered motor. So we have your manual control here, Pendant style control here, passenger steer, passenger engine compartment, tool hookups here on passenger side, valve to turn tool circuits on, fresh fluids and filters throughout the vehicle. We have the passenger intermediate axle. We have the passenger rear drive axle. That strobe light on passenger side. The rear directional lights, like I say, you've got right and or left, or if you have them both on, is a hazard there. We have driver's side rear axle, the driver's side intermediate, toolbox. I'm not sure if you can hear me properly, but we have your tool circuit off, neutral, and on. You want to leave it in neutral while you're not using it. Hoist control for the elevator door, so basically lower and raising of the bed. And then the tailgate open and close there. Once again, your work lights here. Turn on nice and good. Thank you for choosing I-80 equipment. Enjoy your vehicle.